All right, so before buttoning this thing up all the way, putting the cover back on top, and hooking up my ductwork to send the heat into the house, because that's how we're renewably mining right now, is heating the home instead of using a heat pump, using the power I would use on a heat pump to actually mine. I moved one of the hash boards over. It came from the factory with both hash boards stacked over to one side like so, and you know, this is a KS1, so I only have 2 boards in here. So it makes sense to me, move the board over, have way more airflow, and make the machine happier, have better runtime. So that's what I did here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and button it up. All right, we got it all buttoned up. We're gonna continue to monitor it and keep the dang thing running. With that being said, I may go ahead and, since I don't plan on trying to overclock the KS3 unless it's going to be an ice river overclock at this point, because I've been trying to experiment and try different firmwares, and I just haven't had the best luck. So I may just go ahead and put the KS3M back on the ice river dashboard and maybe even try the overclock. We'll see if I decide to do that, but it's really too bad because the PbFarmr firmware dashboard is way better in my opinion. You can see the chip temps, and man, it's just too bad that the KS1 was not happy with running it. So we'll just continue to monitor and move forward. Okay, where are we at? The KS1 ran for 15 to 18 hours or something, then started to go, or it went back into its reboot loop or rapid shutdown or whatever. Coming on, hashing a little bit, turning off, coming on, hash for a little bit, turning off, whatever. So yeah, I was running the Ice River OC, and you already know about all the issues that we've had trying to overclock this unit. I've made some adjustments too, probably caused a little bit of issue, and we've had the flow issue with it too when we made the Jsizzl 3-to-1 too. So I mean, the control board in here has gone through a lot, and I'm trying to just keep it going. Want to rule out every last little thing before I just start throwing parts at it, and I may get a control board here just to have one, even an extra one, because from what I understand, the KS1, KS2, KS3, all the control boards are the same, so they're you can use them between any unit, so I can have one that's backup. So right now I have it on, no hash boards hooked up to it, to hopefully just get it to come on, recalibrate itself, hopefully, like I was able to do before, get it to a normal state, talk to it, take off the 1250 Ice River factory OC, put it on stock, and see how it runs with that, if it can run for a longer amount of time than 15 to 18 hours, because we keep running into this issue. And yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter to me to go down and do this process every now and again, or while we're waiting on the parts and getting the parts and troubleshooting the situation. Like, I've got the MX6 coming. I plan on repasting the board anyway, because from what I understand, that paste is the recommended paste. That way it'll rule out that as well, because I know I just repasted it, but it was just some paste that I had laying around that, gosh, I've had for probably maybe even a decade. It's just been that long since I've pasted any CPUs on a motherboard and a tower or anything like that. And I just had it laying around and I used it. But yeah, so going through that process, and I'm about burning down the gem supply, so anyway I got to do it. I'll limp the machine and continue to reset it, get it back online, mine for 15 hours or whatever, come back, go through the process when I have the time to do it, over and over and over and over again, whatever, until the parts come in, until I can figure out exactly what finicky situation is with the KS1 at this point, because we want to burn down this gem, baby. So anyway, more will be revealed. We'll see how this plays out.
Jsizzl 425 win. Shout to Tswift. Beast.